and inspiring. Yeah. And with that word again you can give some different experiences यहाँ पर आप और second selfless, inspiring, and you have some more adjectives given behind. Give some adjectives: eternal, self-sufficient, loving, and flawless. When these will make a new word. Okay, now understood. You have to rearrange these words now. Second time, the various aspect of nature have been special features to make a different another. Now bird have appearance, shape, color, size. So same way, land has what, right? A special feature of land is very stable. Land is a stable, कोई चीज़ नहीं है. Water is flowing. Animals are tamed. Animals are very innocent. They can be tamed. Insects are very hardworking. First thing is insect life is very hardworking. Understood? This is how I've just given one example. This is how you can write their special features. What, make a list of living creature and alphabetic order, and you will write a more than beginning and the same letter. ये देखो, एक one beginning with the same letter. Ant. Yes, bugs. Then C becomes what? Cat. You're alphabetically, you're a creature. Then D is for deer. This is how you will make it. Continuously you will write and make it. Fine. Now we will go to the page number 40. Nothing is impossible to achieve. What do you think that nature teaches us? Yes, yes, this all you will get from this. Nothing is impossible to achieve. What does it think? It is a thing which is we can achieve with us. We can have instinctively, which has made us to be strong. Okay, read the questions of from the lessons, and do they imply? Are you listening? Do they imply this? Are you listening? What if you are two lives and lives, however, a short of fullness? Okay, now we will go to the next thing is go for this and flow chart. Now this takes 2 marks in your paper. आपके पेपर में 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आता है. मेक अ फ्लो चार्ट. तो हिबिस्कस प्लांट का फ्लो चार्ट बनाओगे फ्रॉम विच द वर्ड्स दे आर बीन गिवन फॉर फोर्थ नाइट. इट टेक्स फोर्थ नाइट टू प्रिपेयर. देन इट गोज ऑन फॉर it blooming. It blooms in like anything, smiles and blooms. Okay, then what is the next project? Evening approach. As the evening approaches, it withering and withers. This is the 4 stages. Okay, same way, find a web. This also comes for 2 marks in your paper. So this is motive. What does the nature do in human beings? Nature gives motivation. Then nature gives instinctively enhancing commands, whispers. I just told you to underline those words. Then gives you it gives a majestic feeling. It is shapes you then it is massive. It is colossal. It's colossal. It's massive. It is conviction. It is with conviction. It perseverance. All these are given. So at least you have to write those in adjectives here. Now write and explain the contrasting features of water and a rock. Now you know what is this. What is a rock? What is a water? Contrasting features. How do you feel them? Okay. Now write any very positive described in the different things of the nature. Discuss in your part. Rainbow, caterpillar. Now some things are given here: hibiscus flower, rainbow, caterpillar, rocks, water, sand. How it's special features and what the value addition is given. Think and answer on your own words. This you have to write. Think your answers and write on your what do you feel, what did you understand from this poem. Pick out from the lesson 10 examples and of each. 10 examples. Concrete nouns. What are the concrete noun? Concrete noun which is a tangible. आपको याद है मैंने आपको सिखाया था tangible and non tangible. तो tangible means जिस चीज़ को आप टच कर सकते हो. जिस चीज़ को आप टच कर सकते हो वो कॉन्क्रीट है, वो दिखता है. दैट इज़ अ कॉन्क्रीट नाउन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सैंड यू कैन टच. Rock you can touch. Hibiscus flower you can touch. Yeah, these are all called as tangible things. These are concrete nouns. ये इसका आपको 7 names आपको लिखना है poem से. Now 10 names है यहाँ पर, पीछे भी 10 है, 3 है. Abstract noun which cannot be seen. Withers. massive. Can you see this? Infinite, eternal, these words are, you cannot touch but you can feel the feeling of it. It has something, the abstract nouns. हमने ऑलरेडी नाउन किया है इस चीज़ का, हम अभी और वी आर गोइंग इनटू द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ नाउन्स. ओके, अंडरलाइन द वर्ब एंड अंडरस्टैंड द बिफोर यू से वेदर दे आर ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब और intransitive verb. Needing an object, need not have an object. Okay, you all know transitive verb and intransitive verb. One can witness and experience the beautiful of the heaven. Now here verb is what? Witness and experience. Experience and witness is the verb here. Okay, the leaves me it leaves me to complete awe. This is how you will also underline. If you are having any doubts, though this time we are not giving a grammar part because lots of grammar is being discussed here itself. So just solve it. If you have any doubts, do ask or do just write text it in my personal account. Now compose about it to imaginary dialogues with the bird, and don't do the ninth one. Don't do ninth question. Question number 9 in your notebook mat karna. Question number 9A wala mat karna. Then prepare a fact file in the following plants and trees using, yes, the fact file. You, it is very important. Prepare this fact file. Yeah. If prepare a fact file of any of the following plants using the points given. किसी भी प्लांट को आप ले लीजिए. तुलसी सबसे बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है. आप सबके घर में तुलसी के प्लांट होता है. नेम ऑफ द प्लांट, सिग्निफिकेंट नेम, इट इज़ बैसिल. देन रीजन एंड क्लाइमेट, फीचर्स, ग्रोथ, शेप, साइज, एवरीथिंग. एंड इफ यू कैन जस्ट पिक आउट अ पिक्चर एंड स्टिक इट, दैट विल ऑल्सो डू. Now impossible itself says I am possible. Impossible को next question number 10 we have divided. Impossible, when we say, it says I am possible. Do you agree it? Justify your answer. Now this is becoming a writing skills part. अगर question है ये अगर आपको writing skills में आता है तो you have to write this in a composition kind of thing. Fine. Then you have an environment protection week celebration in your school. You have invited the environmentalist. Your friend, interview him. Prepare a इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चनर. आप लोगों ने पहले भी ये क्वेश्चनर फील्ड विजिट में बनाया है. हाउ, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस यू विल प्रिपेयर? यू विल जस्ट मेक दोज क्वेश्चनर. इट इज़ okay. What you will do now, write a news report on the environmental day. एनवायरनमेंट डे सेलिब्रेटेड इन योर स्कूल्स. इस साल नहीं हुआ है पर हमेशा हर साल एनवायरनमेंट डे आप नाउ एनवायरनमेंट डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड when it is the 5th June. 5th June is says environment day, and that day you have means whatever kind of celebrations you have kept, an environmentalist has come who is working on our environmentalist as a chief guest. तो उसको आप कुछ क्वेश्चनर पूछोगे, उस क्वेश्चनर तैयार करोगे और उस क्वेश्चनर के हिसाब से आप उसका जो भी आंसर आप ही तैयार करोगे. एंड देन वॉट एवर यू गेट राइट, यू हैव टू सेलिब्रेट एनवायरनमेंट डे पर एक न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट लिखना है. ये न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट आप 8th स्टैंडर्ड से सीख रहे हो. राइटिंग अ रिपोर्ट ऑन थिंग. Just okay. Now this is only up till 12th page you will do, 12th question you will do. Okay, fine. Then here we end with this first video. Thank you.